In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share videos through Google Drive. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. If you're already in another Google page, you can click the Google Apps grid to get to Drive. Once you're on the Drive home page, you'll see shortcuts like suggested folders to quickly jump into places where your video might live. Navigate into the correct folder, then head to My Drive so you can see your files and folders in one place. If you don't see the video right away, open the folder where you saved it. The same approach works whether the file is in a suggested location or directly in My Drive. Find the video you want to share and select it. With the file highlighted, open the three dots menu, also called More Actions. From that menu, click Share to open the sharing window. In the Add People and Groups field, type the email address of the person you want to share the video with. When their email appears in the suggestions beneath the field, click it to add them. This helps prevent typos and ensures you're sharing with the right person. Next, review the permission level. Click the highlighted permission drop-down next to their name and choose Editor. Editor access allows them to add comments and manage the file, which is useful if you're collaborating closely. If you only want them to watch the video, you could set Viewer instead. Commenter lets them leave comments without full editing control. For this walkthrough, select Editor and make sure your choice is applied. If the menu reopens, simply pick Editor again to confirm. When you're ready, click Share to send the invite. Drive will update the access and notify the person you added unless you've disabled notifications. Finally, double-check that the access is updated. In the sharing window, look under People with Access and confirm the email is listed with the editor role.